I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.
Hello and welcome to the Beyond Gigs. In this video, I am going to do the trailer breakdown of Loki series. Moving to the first clip.
Hand over the case, John. Get your hands up.
Trailer starts with the Endgame's time heist scene in Stark Tower, where Loki manages to escape with the Space Stone and lands up in Mongolia. This trailer shows us how it looks like to travel with the Space Stone, and it looks similar to the Bifrost. Loki's crash in Mongolian desert is a nod to the Tony Stark's crash in Afghanistan from the Iron Man 1. This is a metaphor which shows that Tony Stark escaped from the Ten Rings in Afghanistan and Loki escapes from the Avengers. This trailer is a bit confusing because in this scene you can't see the Tesseract. So I think this is from another portion of the series, but at the same time, if you look closely to the Loki's facial scars, these scars are the same scars after the Puni God scene in the Avengers.
Puny God.
Next clip.
You're taking me somewhere to kill me.
No, I'm taking you someplace to talk.
Well, I don't like to talk.
But you do like to lie, which you just did. Because we both know you love to talk. Talky.
How long have you been here?
I don't know, it's hard to say. You know, time passes differently here in the TVA.
What does that mean?
You'll catch up.
Glorious.
Loki's been taken in custody by TVA, which we have seen before in the big game spot of Disney+. TVA, Time Variance Authority, which is basically a bureau that keeps every tab of reality that exists in the Marvel massive multiverse. First appeared in 1986 in Thor 372 comic book. Loki's been taken into custody by TVA in charge of manipulating the timeline of 2012 by creating a branch reality in which he manages to escape from the Stark Tower. Next clip shows Loki in elevator with a TVA agent, Mobius M. Mobius, played by Owen Wilson. Mobius M. Mobius was first appeared in Fantastic Four 353 in 1991, who was in charge of prosecuting the Fantastic Four for their time travel in shenanigans. There are some interesting Easter eggs in this scene. As you see on the buttons of the elevator, there are not numbers, but there are codes. I think these codes will define different timelines or different departments of TVA, or maybe some different branch realities which is created by manipulation of the time. Mobius might be an alternative of Loki, trying to reduce the sentence by taking help from him to capture the demonic creatures like Zanuck or Mobius, who are manipulating the timeline and creating branch realities. An interesting detail in this clip.
How long have you been here?
I don't know, it's hard to say. You know, time passes differently here in the TVA.
What does that mean?
You'll catch up.
If this is true, then the TVA might be located somewhere in the quantum realm, because Scott Lang once said that time works differently in the quantum realm, and if this is possible, then this series can reveal the next bad guy of the MCU, Kang the Conqueror. Kang the Conqueror is a time traveler who traveled in past to bring peace to his world by creating branch realities. This clip may reveal our antagonist of this series, Mephisto, Zanuck, or Doctor Doom, because of this hooded figure, but I'm guessing it's Doctor Doom. he's been taken for his trial in a courtroom. And the interesting detail is behind the judge, the three faces of timekeeper. And the statue of three timekeepers is also shown later in this trailer. Timekeepers are the creation of He Who Remains, the last dictator of TVA. Next clip shows Mobius showing some past events in the hologram to Loki, like the Avengers assembling in the Stark Tower after the Battle of New York. Further, bunch of TVA agents and Loki march into the Roxxcart facility. Similar like the Roxxon exists in the current timeline of Marvel. The same hooded figure which we have seen before in the trailer is watching all this from CCTV cameras. Next shot shows Loki having some trouble with a gate like metal detector. But I don't think this is a metal detector. I think it's a gateway which is used to enter different realities. And here I think Loki is looking at some different realities, like the destruction of New York after the Battle of New York. And what if Thanos get all the Infinity Stones at once and try to destroy Earth like he did in Infinity Gauntlet series by collapsing the moon on Earth, which we can see further in this trailer.
Better be ready.
In next shot, we see Mobius handing over something to a lady, maybe his superior, and the best Easter egg is behind them, the glass window, which has a devil-like figure. I think it's Mephisto or Zanuck. Next clip has some stunning shots of a moon crashing on Earth in the ruins of New York City after the Battle of New York. I think this is some different reality which is shown to Loki by TVA. Many people are saying that this is Black Widow, but I think this is Lady Loki from the set images we got before, played by Sofia Di Martino. In this shot, it looks like a quarry, like a Wakandan vibranium quarry because of this purple color from the purple heart-shaped herb. Most weird clip of this trailer is this DB Cooper reference, which is inspired by 1971's plane hijack by DB Cooper. He tells the flight attendant that he had a bomb and managed to extort the evaluation of a nearly $1.3 million in ransom, and ultimately Cooper parachuted out of the plane and was never seen again. The same kind of scenario can be seen over here. Loki jumps with a bag full of money and just vanished in the air because he was catched by Heimdall from the Bifrost.
This series is dealing with all the exhausted, unexplained cases like this DB Cooper and another one coming later in this trailer. That this means all mischievous cases which are being unsolved are done by the God of Mischief himself.
Next clip.
Come on. What did you expect?
This shot, we can see the title Loki with different fonts. Many articles say that these all fonts are taken from the different posters of MCU movies, and these all different fonts trying to synchronize with themselves like different realities.
In this shot, it looks like Loki is the candidate of the presidential elections, like the Vote Loki comic book series, which was published in 2016. And there is another interesting unexplained case on the corner of this frame, the Polybius game. Polybius is an urban legend that emerges in early 2000, concerning a fictitious 1980s arcade game. It has served as inspiration for several games by the same name. Legend described this game as a part of a government-run crowdsourced psychological experiment based in Portland during 1981. The game supposed produce an intense psychoactive and addictive effects on the players. People say that this game were visited by the Man in Black to collect the data from the machines. Eventually, all of these Polybius arcade machines disappear from the market, like they never existed.
So this was my trailer breakdown of Loki series. Stay tuned for more such videos and theories. Do subscribe to this channel and like the video. Share this video with your friends.
I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.